Light seems to travel in a straight line in a transparent medium. But what will happen if it goes to some another medium? Let us see what happens. Let us now discuss the another topic of a light, that is refraction. Refraction is also the phenomenon of light in which the light bends on going from one medium to another. That is, whenever light goes from one medium to another, then it gets bent. It doesn't travel in straight line any longer. We can see the example. Take a glass tumbler, fill it with water, put a pencil in it, half inside water, half outside. You can see the pencil inside the water is somewhat shifted towards your right side. Why this happens? Due to refraction. There are two mediums involved in this case. The first one is air. The outside part of the pencil, which is outside the water, and the part of the pencil that is inside the water. Now air and water both have different densities. The air is a less denser medium as compared to your water medium. So that's why there is somewhat the shifting of light rays. If you get the interface of this pencil, this is the normal to the surface, and whenever the light rays coming from this pencil has to travel from air to glass medium, then they get bends towards the normal. This is the refraction. Rare medium is a medium which have less density but the speed of light is more, and denser medium is a medium which have more density but speed of light is less. So whenever the light rays travel from rare to denser medium, they move towards the normal, and whenever light rays travel from denser to rare medium, they move away from normal. What is the reason of refraction? The reason is the speed of light is different in different mediums, and every medium has different densities. These are two main basic causes of refraction. Let us now see the refraction through a glass slab. Suppose this is the glass slab. Now fix any two rays obliquely on two pins obliquely on this. Let us consider the incident ray as this incident ray, and the normal to the interface of this is air medium, your rare medium. This is your glass medium. This is denser medium. This is the normal to the interface of air and glass. So whenever light has to travel from rare to denser medium, it moves towards the normal. It has moved towards the normal. This is your refracted ray. Now in the same medium it travels in straight line. Again it has to cross the one more medium from glass to, again this medium is air. Now this is again the normal to the interface. Now on going from denser to rare medium, it moves away from normal. In this case, this becomes your angle of incidence and this becomes your angle of emergence. If we retrace the incident ray, we will find that this emergent ray and incident ray both are parallel to each other, but there is a lateral shift in their displacement. Lateral shift or lateral displacement is the displacement between your incident ray and emergent ray. Now the law of refraction, what it says, the incident ray, normal ray and refracted ray all lie in same plane, and the sine of angle of incidence upon sine of angle of refraction is constant, provided the angle of incidence must be between 0 to 90, and this constant is refractive index, which we will discuss in another class. Hope you have understood the basic concept of refraction. Thank you.